Hi there. Before I tell you who I am or what is this channel all about, let me share with you a personal story. So back in 2016, something happened that completely changed the course of my life. I had just completed my senior secondary. I was from PCM background. That's physics, chemistry and mathematics for you. The results were out and they were pretty average as I had expected them to be. I knew that I wasn't any exceptionally good in either of those subjects, and somewhere deep down the line, I had this clarity in my mind that I do not want to pursue anything in that field as a career option. Now, on the other hand, I had great love for the English language since my primary schooling days. So much so that I always outshined in the subject. I will say that I was exceptionally good at it. And now at this point of time, the result is also out, and now I was in a complete dilemma. Like, should I, continue and continue my preparation for joint entrance examination, that's JEE, or should I follow my love for the English language? That day was quite confusing, and I remember every moment of that day. It's crystal clear here. My friends, my relatives, they all were calling like, tell us how it went, how was the result? And every time I had to tell them, I had to clench my heart. The same evening, I was sitting with my parents. We were having this discussion of, what should I do about this dilemma that I was having. Now, what happened was my father, my parents have been very supportive uh, throughout my entire schooling days, and till date they are. So, my father told me that, yeah, do whatever your heart says, okay? What your heart calls out to, do it. And somewhere I had that fear in my mind that, okay, if I take this big of a switch in my, possible career option, that I go from science to arts, how will my friends, my family react? How am I going to answer their questions and curiosities? It will kill me. So all these thoughts have been rummaging around the whole day in my head, and I wasn't able to control myself, and I burst out in tears. In front of my parents, I was crying. I was sitting there. I had no idea what to do. So my father came close to me. He hugged me, and he said, "Son, do whatever naturally comes to you. Do whatever your heart says. Okay? Do not think about what people will say. It's your life. It's your decision to make. Okay? And it's your decision. You should own them, and only you are responsible for those decisions, and they should not be influenced by anyone else." So that gave me a lot of comfort, and yeah, there I was. I finally chose to go and explore and follow my love for the English language. So after deciding that, I went straight onto the internet. I I started researching that what are the possible career options that I have, and I was actually surprised by the number of options that were actually available. And because I wasn't able to think to that extent that okay, these things can be done uh, if I choose English as an option. So with that, I made the decision. I with a lot of counseling and all here and there, I made the decision. I finally went for it, and I chose to do my bachelor's in arts honors in English literature. And that was the day everything changed for me. So, hello again, everyone. My name is Ananya Seni. I'm 23 years old. I live in Jaipur, Rajasthan. I've done my graduation and post-graduation in English literature. So I welcome you all to this YouTube channel of mine, which in its whole and soul is devoted to, you might have guessed it by now, yes, English language. See, my whole purpose of starting this particular channel is that I want to help people with their problems, with their roadblocks, with their questions that they have, with their myths that surround the English language in general. It really breaks my heart to see people not being able to communicate in English, which is such a required skill in this time. And with so many courses available, these days, it's still such a big of a problem. So I would really like to give my contribution to it. Consider it my way of giving back to the universe what has been given to me in abundance. And I really hope with this channel I can really bring about a change in the lives of people. So that's it. I wanted to make this first introduction video for you all to know me, to know my story, because every story has an emotion, and I want you all to connect with me emotionally, on an emotional level, because that's where the authenticity lies, right? So yeah, I've been very clear about what I have been gone through, and if you were able to resonate with it, do let me know. And yeah, that will be it from my side for this particular video. I hope to see you all in the next one. Do comment if you like it, do subscribe, and yeah, share it with your friends and family members, and anyone you know in your vicinity who actually needs help regarding English language. If you were not able to help them, bring them to me. Okay? At least this is the least I can ask you to do. So thank you. See you all in the next one. Cheers.